Want to test Squarespace before paying? Here's how to activate your free trial in under 90 seconds. Go to squarespace.com and click Get Started. You'll be asked a few questions like your site's purpose and goals and answer them or skip if you want, really. Next, pick a template. Don't worry, you can change it later. Once you choose one, Squarespace will instantly generate a demo site for you. From here, you're in the builder. No credit card is needed yet. Your 14-day trial is now live, and you can start editing pages, adding content, and customizing the design. To keep your site live after the trial ends, just click subscribe at any time to pick a pay plan and connect your domain. And that's really it. You're up and running on Squarespace with zero commitment. And if this really helped, like the video, subscribe for more fast tutorials, and comment below if you want help with design, SEO, or connecting a domain next. And if you have any questions too from me that you want me to make a video on about, I'll drop them down below in the comment section as well. And until then, I'll catch you in the next video.